Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can monetize your website and get cool money from it. We have other advertising partners like Google AdSense, which pay most and are the most popular, but I'm using AdsTerra today because this will upset you quickly, but Google won't upset you quickly, and you have to go through a lot of steps to be accepted on Google AdSense, and you must not be a beginner to be automatically accepted by Google AdSense. So now let's see how you can do this. Do not click on launch campaign except you have what you want to advertise to the world, what you want people to see. You want to advertise your website, your store, you click on launch campaign. But we want to make money from this, so we click on monetize traffic. You use the traffic on your website to gain money. The more people come to your website, the more they click on your ads, and the more you earn money. Start monetizing. So all you need to do is to sign up on this website with your name, email, and click on continue. So the login, you choose a username for this, a unique username to be precise. Messenger, how you want to receive messages, I will choose WhatsApp. Preferred pay system, I will choose PayPal. You can choose wire transfer, it's also good. So as you can see, I'm done with the sign-in. So they will send a verification link to your email, and you have to confirm this so that you get started on this website. So all you need to do is to go to your Gmail and go to the inbox you just received from AdsTerra and confirm the email. So as you can see, processing. Please do not close this window. So all you need to do is to follow you have to sign in and begin. Sign in. So as you can see, here is where the tab which shows your website. You can add website. So I will add my website here. Add. So your website has been sent for approval and will email you when it is confirmed. So all you need to do is to wait. In a short time your website will be approved and you start displaying ads on your website, and you will make cool money from this. So as you can see, my website is approved. All you need to do is click on all codes, and this will show all the codes you have. Get the code. So this is a JavaScript code. All you need to do is to copy it already. So now you have to go and paste this above the body tag on your website. So how do you do this? Just head back to your WordPress dashboard and click on the plugins tab and click on add new plugin. So just go to the search and search on insert footers and header. So just scroll down. So this is the plugin we need. Install now. So click on the activate button. So the plugin is activated. So go to your settings tab and click on insert headers and footers. So all you need to do is to paste the JavaScript code or the add code you copied into the place where it is scripts in body all you need to do is to paste it there and click on save, and it will begin. So when you just go to your website, a social bar ad will begin to display on your website. For example, social bar ads will soon pop up on the screen. As you can see, this is it, a social bar ad, but when you save the code. So this is it. If you want to add more ads, all you do is to go to the website, add code. If you want to add a banner ad, click on this. This is a banner ad, click on add. So once it's approved, you will just add it to your website. But before that, you will need a plugin to be able to add this type of ads to your website. Click on add new. You also have a lot of different ads inserter plugins, so choose the one that suits you. And so all you need to do is to search for ads inserter. So as you can see here, we have multiple ads type inserter plugins. As you can see them, but we are going to stick to this. Install now. So activate. So plugin activated. All you need to do is to go to the tools, settings, add inserter. So block 1, you now go back to AdsTerra, all codes. So get the code. Your code has been copied. Go back and paste this at block 1. So that is it for block 1 code. So you want to display it on your posts, your home page, and probably search pages, how you want it. In sessions, I will say before the paragraph, and I would like this to show 5 times. So you just click on save settings, and anyone who visits your website hopefully will see ads. As you can see, this is an ad. Once you click, redirect to another website, and I gain money for you clicking on your website ad. So thank you for watching.